So you're talking about cloud, right? Yes, Cloud SS, I have done it. Amazon Cloud only I have used. Yeah, because in real-time project no need to worry about those things. If there is a ServiceNow application onboarding, I will get the URL, I'll get the username, password, just I'll feed each and everything okay. I don't know what is this aggregation filter. So far I never done that. Just I'll feed this value, and to create ticket we will use after provisioning rule. We will be create one rule. That's it. That's all, of course, that we know onboarding. So if it is real-time scenario, we have to install. Yeah, go ahead. Can we go and check the identity? I'm just worried about if we can see the activity, because everywhere there is some place where these activities gets logged. We call it as usually, audit log or audit play something. Let me open James. So that's what I'm saying in real-time scenario. It will generate. Some access requests will be generated. Inactivity. What about inactivity? Monitoring is disabled. Disabled. No application. So this activity is related to activity data source. In the application, I have told right. If you have enabled the activity data source, there will be some logs printing. Based on that, you can monitor. In real-time scenario I never seen, but that's the purpose. So if there was some kind of activity is going to happen, it's related to that. Was there in history? Yeah, let's check history. It will be there, each and everything. It will be there. Snap OK. Certification is there. I'm really sorry. Yeah, certification is there. History is there, right? And what it shows in the above. Can we go up, please? Yeah, identity snapshots. Yeah, this is the timeline, right? And it says like, what was done on this? Is it saying? Yeah, it says like what was done. It says the date. It says the date in the attributes. Yeah, but I mean, it's not a very user-friendly way of seeing it. It should show in one line actually. No, 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 no. If you go back like a back step, you take a back step. You will see the activities. So that's what I'm trying to say. No, no, no history. History okay. Okay. So scroll down and just say the snapshot thing. See the last one. 12:15. I think that is the time when you initiated the process. 825. One has been removed. Yeah. But in real-time scenario, this is not going to be useful, guys. Okay, so you can check the identity history from here. Okay, it's been removed. So green color means added, red color means removed. Revoke something. Maybe even just tap. Only you are going to capture the details. Okay. Go ahead, Vinay. No, I was saying, I understand probably that the way they show it here is in 2 tabs. They have identity certification history. and other things history. So if you go up this snapshot date, it doesn't look like very useful to me. Maybe it has a different purpose. Because I was looking for something. I'm not sure. For each and every activity, there has to be something right. Some ticket has to be there. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I just want to see, okay, this date, this time this account was created. This time this status was updated. This time, this date. This is updated somewhere. So for each and every activity, there will be a ticket. There will be some access requests will be there. So, based on that, they will monitor. They will check. Okay. Whenever LCM, lifecycle man, joiner mover lever is going to get triggered, it will be shown over here only the Events tab. Using this Events tab only, they are going to validate each and everything. Okay. So because initial days I used to compile all the things from this Events tab only related to access, related to removal, anything. So we will match from this page only. Yeah, but this event, this tab, doesn't look like very much updated right now. It says, execution status completed verifying something. I don't know. So verifying means it's not yet completed. There is some issue with this access request. If you're going to open, you'll come to know. Let me open this. Okay, so we have 30 more minutes. Quickly, I'll show other certification aspects. Okay, no problem. You go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, I'll figure this out later on. Yeah. So it's committed. It's not completed yet. So quickly go to Setup Certification. Quickly go to Manager Certification. So I have a manager. Name called Sarah. Some people are reporting to Sarah, but no one is manager. All are employee only. Just some junior folks. That's considered that way. Yeah, Sarah Berry. One. 1C, 2C, 3D. 1C, 2C, 3D. Okay. So she's the manager, Sarah. So some 7 people are reporting. 6 or 7 people are reporting to Sarah, but no one is manager. All are employee. Consider they are junior folks. So let me trigger for Sarah. How many Sarah? Sarah Berry. Sarah Berry. Sarah Berry is a manager. Let me click quick. This time we'll do it for entitlements. So this time Manager Certification only for Sarah Berry. I'll take a snap and we will compare. I'll show you. Okay. Now open this. It's been generated. Only one access review. After access will be generated, this statistic will populate. So only one access review has been generated. But previously, whenever we selected one particular manager and number of access review has been generated. So that's the difference. Because, since Sarah is a manager, some 7 people are reporting to Sarah, but no one is manager. Those subordinate I'm talking about. If subordinate also manager, then each and every different access review will be generated.